Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to download and use MSW Logo. So simply first we will go to Google Chrome to download it, and then we will search, and then you have to go to this link. I've also shared the link in the description. Go check it out. And then we have to click on free download for PC, and we have to click on cross for this, and the download will be started. So also click on open when done. It's done, and click on yes. Let's close this and click on next, and then you have to browse where the file should be kept. Okay, it should be, click on next, and then next is added in the start menu, and if you want you can also pin it to the taskbar and start menu with just a click. You have to search and you should get it, and then click on OK at here. Here we have got our logo. So this is the title bar, and these are file, bitmap, set, zoom, help. In file you can load a new one or load a previous one, or save this or save as a new name, or you can edit, erase, exit. And in bitmap you can do same things, but print is added, and printer setup is also added, and active area is also added. In set you can set the pen size, label font, commanded font, pen color, flood color, screen color. In zoom you can zoom in and out and back to normal view. For example, I am zooming in too much, and let's zoom back to normal. Yes, like this. And in help you can take help about anything else. Okay, this is the turtle. Let's type something. So the main thing about this MSW logo is that you need to learn codes, and that is very important. If you don't learn codes, you cannot perform any activities. For example, I am writing here FD40. Okay, this FD code will take this turtle to front and draw a line. There are many more commands. For example, RT means right, LT means left, and there are many more commands, and that's all up to you. So the thing is that if you want to reset what you have done, for example, CFD 80, I've given this command. I want to reset the page. Click on this reset, and this is halt, trace, pause, status. For all of this you need to learn this actually, and this has many components also. Okay, you can close the status like this, and this is the commander, and this is totally a new window. You can close this also if you want. And that was all for today. Hope you like something new in this video and learn also how to download MSW logo. So the video ends. Thanks for watching.